So today, July 23rd, 2026, we are at Echo Hollow Nature Park outside of Plainfield, Indiana. Our first park walking video near our new home in Indiana. Looks like a nice park, and we are about to check it out. Let's check it out. Over here, looks pretty nice. Picnic tables, restroom facilities. It's got nice trails, and it looks like a creek down there. Ah, Indiana Park smells. And it allows dogs, which is good. Unlike all the California parks we've been walking in the last 14 years, around here these parks have seasons. So fall season will be start a couple months from now, and the leaves will be turning colors and falling in October most likely, and then winter will follow, and we can come back here and see what it looks like when it snows, when there's snow here. Right now it's still summertime. Very nice day. We had a cool Canadian front come in the other night, cool things off, so it's very nice today. And we'll get a nice cool summer walk. Looks like a pretty good sized park too. Let's see what we got. This way. Really nice park. She's not sure what to check out next. Indiana smells different. It's got a lake. How about that? It's only about 10 or 15 miles from where we live. It's really nice. Got a lake, looks like you can go fishing. She's smelling something there. Everything is new to her here, so she got to stop and check it out. Come on, Millie. Let's see what's over here. go up this trail. So you gotta stop and check stuff out because everything smells different. Whoops. We got a spaniel. Well, she's about 16 years old, so she's a not.
This one's a little hyper.
Oh, yeah.
What a sweetie.
Thank you. Okay. Black and white spaniel looks like it could be your cousin. Distant cousin. Everything's new, huh? Yeah, let's walk a little bit more, see what else we got. We're not too far from the Indianapolis airport here. All right. What's that say? Oh, catch and release. So you can fish, but you catch and release. That's good. Nice looking. Look at that. Got this nice lake. Let's take a look. Oh, they call it a pond. In Southern California, they would call this a lake. Over here, they call it a pond. Not big enough to be a lake. Lakes are bigger here. Look at that. Well, let's see. Pretty nice here, isn't it? She's like, this is what I came to Indiana to see. Got tired of being cooped up. Get out here and see nature. Let's go this way. Come on. Oops. Come on. Come on. Okay, that must be the maintenance area. But we got more trail over here. Yeah, looks like the trail might go. Looks like we got a lot of trails in this park. Pretty nice. Reminds me a little bit of the forest preserves they have up near Chicago where I lived many years ago. Millie never lived in Chicago. Sometime later this year, I'm going to take her up, visit where we used to live up there, Kankakee County. Let her take a look at the Kankakee River State Park. But this is Echo, I forget what it said, Echo Lake Nature Park. Pretty nice, huh? I think the trail will take us back around, or we can take it all the way around the lake, it looks like. And then back Echo Hollow Nature Park. Pretty good find for our first park in Indiana near our new home. Pretty good find. Pretty nice park. Let's see. Some of the animals you'll find here. Oh, this is Plainfield, that's what I said. Look at that. Plainfield, Indiana, that is. Raccoons, red fox, possums, Virginia possums, eastern cottontail rabbits, what kind of deer? White-tailed deer, great horned owl, coyote. We don't want to mess with coyotes, and we don't want to mess with that either. Skunks, don't want to mess with skunk. Let's check out this trail. First mosquito I saw. Probably because we're close to all that water. Huh. Alright, let's head out this way. Let me see. Hold on. Let's see. Decide which trail. There's a lot of trails, but we don't want to get too carried away. Got things to do at home yet. Got a trail map. Take a look. Trail number 4 goes this way. Trail number 1, I think trail number 1 probably goes back. Let's see where, yeah, trail number 1 will take you back around the lake. Trail number 4. Oh, this is a pretty nice, pretty big park. Take you all the way out there and back around. That might be a bit too much. We got things to do today. Trail 1 just takes you around the lake. I think today we'll just stick with trail 1. Look at that. That's where we are. In the world Yeah, we'll stick with trail number 1. Trail 4 looks like it goes quite a ways. And we'll check out trail 4 on another day when we got more time. Still got things to do. We'll stick with trail number 1 and walk back around the lake. There's a woodpecker up there. Oops. Millie. Yeah, I don't want to let her go on her own because she'll wander pretty quick. She's not familiar with this place. I know you want to check it out, don't you? But we don't want to wander too far off the beaten path here. So let me get a hold of you. Let's get back up on the trail. Ah, there's where the mosquitoes are out here. Don't have any in our neighborhood. I think they must spray our town. Pretty nice trails, ain't it? Something interesting right there. Let's go this way. Oh, jogger coming up. Hold on. I can see where it'd be a nice place to jog. Got some good jogging trails too. She's smelling something. Just be careful if we don't run into poison ivy or something like that. So far, it looks like we're doing just fine. Haven't seen any. They probably clear that stuff away, the maintenance people, like the poison ivy and poison oak, so people don't get into that. Oh, this lake is bigger than I thought. It goes all the way around. Here. Hmm. Yeah, everything's new here. I've never been around places like this. Nothing like this in Southern California. This is Midwest nature. I think she really likes it, which is good because this is where area we'll be living in, and she likes it. Says, ah, nice. But there are mosquitoes because we're by this lake. Not too bad this time of morning, but you come here in late afternoon, you'll get a lot of them. There's one just trying to bite me right there. There'll be a lot more. Certain times of day, you get a lot more of them. Beaver. Huh. They got beavers here? I don't know if they got beavers here, though. That would be interesting. I don't think they got beavers at this point. I gotta watch out because there are a lot of mosquitoes here. We might want to get out of this time of day. They hang out in the shady areas. So I'm gonna get bit a few times. Get back out in the sun. Get back. But you know what? Mosquitoes are part of life too. As long as they're not dangerous ones, which I hope they're not. Don't have any mosquito repellent yet, so took me a few bites. As long as they leave Millie alone, they can bite me. They can bite me. Oh, and they are biting me. Next time come here, I'm getting mosquito repellent before we come back. Of course, in the winter, that won't be a problem. Right now, there's a few of them out there. As long as they bite me and leave Millie alone, that's okay. Mosquitoes leaving you alone? I think so. They're just getting me because I'm an easier target. Sure is nice out here, though. Be nicer. Sure is nice. Be nicer next time when I get the mosquito repellent. Okay. Enough on that subject. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, they're coming. Let's turn this corner and get back in the sun. Oops. Okay. Oh, man. There's a few of them out here. Ah. Let's take this boardwalk over here. on this boardwalk. Get back in the sun. There's a little lookout point around the corner. We'll take a look. Got benches there too. Probably a fishing spot also. Oh no, not quite. The water's up a little bit. You might be able to fish there. But it's a little far from the bank right now. But it's good viewing spot. Nice benches. See them in a bit. Alright, we're going to head back now. Got a few things to do at home. Okay. Oh. Get this out. There we go. Yeah, let's head back now. Let's head back this way. Belcher Boardwalk. Pretty nice. Image. And up here. Let's walk back by the lake one more time. There's a lot of robins out here. And a lot of people enjoying the park. Alright. Alright. Come on, Millie. Oops. Almost. We'll be back in just a minute or two. Parked over there. Want to walk in the grass for a while? Or you like walking right there? You can walk in the grass for a while. Walk in the grass. Or you want to stick to the trail? If you want to stick to the trail, we'll be back soon. We'll be back in a little bit, right over there. Here, come on over here. Okay. This way.
Three, two, come on, Zeb, yeah.
Here's some of the fish they got here. Huh. Fish, bluegill, largemouth bass. They got a few fish in that lake. Alright. It's catch and release. It's really nice here. Alright. I'll be back in just a minute. Grab a couple poop bags for the road. Oops, wasn't able to get that right. There we go. Couple poop bags for the road. And we're gonna head back to the car. One more look at the lake. Oh, there's some pretty flowers right there. What those are. All right. All right. We walked around the whole lake. The Echo Hollow Nature Park. And now we're going to be going home. And until our next adventure, we'll plan our next adventure after we get some work done at home. This is where we started, I think. Yep, this is where we started. So we made the whole circle around the lake. Right there. And we're back. Nice walk, huh? Wasn't it, Millie? Wasn't it a nice walk? Wasn't it? Okay, Dad. Yep, nice walk. Let's get back. Trail 1's the one we took. Alright. Well, what'd you think? Was that a nice walk, Millie? We might have walked a little too far this. This was a nice walk. Can you smile for the camera? Good. Smile. Maybe later when we get some more food and water, she'll smile. So we had a nice walk around the lake. At Echo Hollow Nature Park. Catch you later. Maybe I think she needs a nap. Catch y'all later. Bye.